Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in. Now open Google Drive and confirm the account shown in the top right is the one with your contacts. Once done, click the grid icon or the Apps Launcher to access other Google apps. Make sure to avoid switching accounts mid-process, because Drive and Contacts can differ between accounts. If you're on mobile, open the Drive app, tap the menu, and look for Google Apps. This first step ensures you're looking at the correct data before navigating to Contacts. Once you've opened the Apps Launcher, choose Contacts to view entries linked to your Google account. If Contacts isn't visible, select More Apps, then Manage Apps to find and show contacts. On Contacts, Google.com, you'll see a list and a search field. Use it to quickly locate a person by name, email, or phone. Make sure to check the left panel for labels and directory options, because Drive-shared contacts often appear under suggested or imported groups. To finish, verify Contacts Sync. Open Contacts Settings and check Account Sync is enabled. Then return to Drive, refresh the page, and check the contact appears where expected. If entries are missing, clear browser cache or app data and retry. Make sure there are no multiple accounts colliding. If issues persist, open an incognito window or a different browser to rule out extension interference. That usually reveals whether it's a local problem versus an account or sync issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.